Good morning guys, today we are going to see a basic orientation about the STOCKERT S3 HLM. As you can see, there's a power cord given over here, and first step is you need to connect the power cord to a power source. You are connecting it here and turn it on. After that, you'll get to see, just see downstairs, you'll get to see a green button. Okay, you just have to push it and you'll see the pump gets turned on. You can see mains on, that means it's running on the main electricity. Okay, afterwards you'll see an LCD screen is turned on over here. Afterwards you have to turn on the timer. Okay, you are getting to see this timer. This is for bypass, aortic cross clamp, and heparin or other any timings. Okay, you'll get to see the pulsatile mode. You have to turn on the pulsatile mode. Then which server pressure slot you're using, you have to turn that on. You can see the switch on button over here that we have on our electrical appliances, same as that. You have to turn it on. Again, this module is for the cardioplegia. Now you have to turn this also on. In case if you are using any temperature monitor, level sensor or bubble detector, you have to turn them on. Now you'll see that we have around 4 modules over here, and for each of them the button is given beneath the console. Now I'll show you the buttons. So this is the first button. You can see the square part over here. You just push it and you'll get to see the console is turned on. Same as that, you have to push on all 4 buttons and you can see all our pumps have been turned on. Now you see that you can see these 2 lines over here. These are the safety methods or safety measures for any heart-lung machine. Any given heart-lung machine has a safety measure. So this is like, if you turn this pump on, you can see it won't get turned on because this light is on. That means it's on safety. You can see this is none of the pump. We are rotating the pump. This blue indicator is going forward, but the pump is not turning on. Now you can see, you just push this, press this button, you'll get to see the digits. Now when you turn this console on, you can see the pump is rotating. So this is a safety measure or a safety device given for the STOCKERT S3 HLM. Now we turn all the consoles. As you can see, the pump is getting turned on. Okay, you can see the pleasure is also getting turned on, and so are the suction and vent rollers.